front of me is Samsung Galaxy M35, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location. Begin by going into Tab menu and look for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, my shortcut is gray, which means that location is off. To turn it on, click on the same shortcut. If you want to, you can also go into Settings, scroll down and click on Location section. Then tap on this switcher at the top right corner to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!